Hi there, everybody. I'm here in the furniture department with Rachel, and we are going to talk about another one of our favorite furniture lines, Lloyd Flanders. And they've been around. I think that I've worked at the Bruce Company on and off for, almost 30 years. And I think that Lloyd Flanders, we've always had Lloyd Flanders.
Yeah, they've been around since 1917.
There you go.
Yeah.
And so what do you like about them, Rachel?
I love the craftsmanship,
Sure.
especially with the loom. This is how it starts, with an aluminum wire with craft paper that's been glued to secure it, no sort of flaking or anything like
Sure.
that. It's very solid. Then they weave this and dip it into a resin solution,
Okay.
and then the weaving process around the contour of the furniture, and then they put a polyester coating over it, which gives you 20 different colors here.
And so these are considered woven?
This is loom.
Oh, this is loom,
This is
because there's
loom.
loom and woven.
Yeah, and this is woven. That's a vinyl finish.
Okay.
When you go with these collections, with the collections in the woven, they're kind of decided for you. You might have a few options, where if you go with the loom collections, you can pick from any of these colors.
Now, I did not know that these were all wares. Like, I knew that it was totally materials that were completely safe to be outdoors. You didn't have to worry about. I think my first set of furniture that I bought here was Lloyd Flanders, but it was sort of a rattan thing, and it was the real thing. So we had it for indoors. It was meant for like sunrooms and that kind of thing. But
I don't think they had this really high performance polyester finish.
Right.
And that's what makes it such an all season wicker.
Right.
You don't get any sort of moisture, mold and mildew. It's beautiful indoors and outdoors. That's what I love about it.
So many people will say, "Oh, but is this safe for outside?" And they're they sort of don't believe that this material is a polyester material and not like some kind of natural wicker
fiber.
or rattan or something like that.
It's made for our weather. In fact, this company is in Menominee, Michigan. And do you know where some of this craft paper comes from?
No, I do not.
The Wisconsin paper mills up north.
Yeah, well, sure. They're close to Menominee. So that's super cool. The other thing, I always think of Lloyd Flanders being very traditional in styling, but they have a lot of more contemporary and modern designs
Yep,
now.
they do, in both the weave, the loom, and the woven.
Right, and the styles as well.
And the styles, absolutely. And actually, in the last few years, a lot more contemporary, but still timeless.
Yes, I think so too. And there are lots of fabrics that you can use for cushions on deep seating.
Yes.
And they have dining and all kinds of things. Yeah, you have a book
Tons
right
of
there.
this
Look at that.
umbrella. Oop, here we go. This umbrella. And every year they add some new fabrics that are just for them. So they're a bit more exclusive. Beautiful.
So you can put together something that would completely meet your vision as to whether you were doing something like outdoors on your patio or in a sunroom, and you would
Absolutely.
have something that's perfectly made for you that no one else would have.
It's really customized. Your sunroom or your back porch is going to be uniquely yours.
Excellent. So thanks for sharing with us, Rachel.
Absolutely.
I learned a lot. I had no idea that this was...
The other thing about this, one other little trivia,
Sure.
is that you can actually get paint. So you might pick a color, and in 20 years you're like, I don't really want that. You can go to the manufacturer and paint this. Can't do that with vinyl wickers, but you can with the loom.
Oh, that's super cool too. So there you go. Or you could touch up, probably.
Absolutely can do that.
So thank you for sharing. And I hope that all of you have a really good gardening day. Happy summer from all of us here at the Bruce Company.